Hey guys, and I'm here with my cat. Yeah, it's at 9:14. Say hi to the world. Puppy, put your head up. Hi, I'm Gus. Okay, so, yeah. So this video is gonna be mostly about, Gus. Gus, the cat translator. Yeah, didn't know that? Okay, what do you want to say, Gus? He likes fish. He loves fish. He loves turkey. He's sick. He gets sick when he has turkey. He gets sick when he has turkey. In fact, I'm sorry. He loves salmon. Yeah, he's so kind of cat, like cat milk. Well, no, he loves cat. He doesn't like cat, like treats. He hates it. What else? He 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 had a girlfriend before. She passed away. Um, he likes canned food, but it has to be wet, crispy, not in the refrigerator. Doesn't like it that way. So say bye to the world. Bye. Bye.